Hello, this is Brian Ayson with the Ayson Law Firm in Houston, Texas, and I'm here today to talk to you about ALR hearings. I've talked to you about them in the past, but I want to talk to you about them again because we're in this pandemic, the coronavirus, and the lockdown, and the way that they're being handled now by the State Office of Administrative Hearings and DPS. So, as you probably know, or as you know, if you've seen any of these videos before, an ALR hearing is your chance to contest the suspension of your license. So DPS will automatically move to suspend your license if you blow above a .08 when you were arrested for DWI, or you fail your blood test, or if you refuse to take a blood or breath test. It's an automatic suspension. It will automatically be suspended 40 days after the date of your failure or refusal, unless you request that hearing in 15 days. You can request a hearing to contest the suspension of your license called an ALR hearing. It stands for Administrative License Certification Hearing. So what's going on now with the coronavirus is all the courts are shut down, and the State Office of Administrative Hearings is shut down too. DPS isn't coming into work because they've got stay-at-home orders. They've got work-from-home orders, and they're social distancing too. So all these ALR hearings that we had set for clients that were happening in March and April, and sometimes even May, are being pushed back. I've had a fair amount of them pushed back to May. I've had some of them pushed back all the way to July and even September. The hearings that were set, they're still going to happen. We're still subpoenaing the officers that were supposed to attend those events in the first place, but now they're being pushed back. But what hasn't changed is the 15-day waiting period. So if you go out and you get a DWI, and it happens, people are still out there. There's still some people drinking and driving and getting pulled over, or maybe you got pulled over right before the lockdown. So you still only have 15 days from the date of a failure or refusal to request that hearing. And even though your ALR hearing probably isn't going to take place, until May or June or July or later, they'll still suspend your license if you don't request it timely. So if you have any questions about that, I would be happy to answer them. Either post them below or feel free to give us a call.